Hello everyone. Today we start the topic of one of the type of transformation, that is sharing transformation. Before that we discuss about the previous lecture is rotation transformation. So rotation means what? Rotation it is a process of changing the angle. Rotation means what? It is a one of the process and of changing the angle of object. Okay. So rotation transformation, in a rotation transformation 2D rotation is applied to an object by repositioning it along a circular path in xy plane. There is a rotation, we specify the rotation angle, that is theta, and the position of the rotation point about which the object is to be rotated. Means here is the origin point P, and we rotate this object or we rotate this point about the theta angle. Okay, so we rotate the object about the theta angle and get the new point, that is P dash is equal to x dash and y dash. This original point is the x and y coordinate, and the new is the P dash is equal to x dash comma y dash. So we rotate this point in some angle, and there is a few angles, that is 90 degree. We rotate the object in 90 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. Okay. So here we rotate this P object by angle theta. Okay. So here is some trigonometric equations, that is x and y equation. X is equal to r cos phi and y is equal to r sin phi. And we use a formula. Here is we calculate the equation, that is x dash and y dash, that is new coordinate, and this new coordinate equation is r cos of phi plus theta. Why this r cos phi plus theta? Because of here is the rotate this object. Okay, rotate this r, that is we rotate this object in x axis. Okay, so r is the, we calculate the x dash and y dash. So because of that this r we find out the cos phi plus theta. Okay, so here is the we taking phi plus theta because from starting from x coordinate from x axis, means we starting from here and we rotate this in phi plus theta angle. Okay, so we get the x dash and y dash coordinates. Then we use some formula of mathematical formula, that is cos of a plus b and sin of a plus b. Here is the replacing a plus b is phi plus theta, and the cos of phi plus theta is equal to r cos phi into cos theta minus r sin phi into sin theta. Here is the y dash is equal to r sin phi plus theta is equal to r cos phi into sin theta plus r sin phi into cos theta. And we replace substituting this 1, 2 and 3, 4 equations respectively, and we get some answer, that is x dash and y dash. X dash is equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta, and y dash is equal to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Okay. So here this equation we represent in a matrix form, that is cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Here is the equation of anti-clockwise. We rotate the object in anti-clockwise direction, and this one is the clockwise direction. Okay, so here is the positive, rotate the angle can be positive, and here is the negative angle. Okay, and in clockwise direction there is a matrix, that is cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Okay, So rotation transformation, in the rotation transformation is a process of changing the angle of an object. Okay, so now comes with the today's topic is shearing transformation. Shearing transformation means what? A transformation that slant the shape of an object is called the shear transformation. Okay, so shearing transformation is to distort the shape of an object, means the object is slant or the distort the shape of an object. It is not the scaling the object, it is the shearing the transformation, that is with only slant the shape of an object is called shear transformation. So in this shearing transformation, the shape of object will be distorted. In this, we will keep one axis or origin point fixed. We will share the operation in x direction and y direction. So there are two shearing transformation. First one is the x shearing and second one is the y shear. One shift the x coordinates value and other shift y coordinate values. However, in both the cases only one coordinate changes its coordinates and the other preserves its value. Shearing is also termed as squeezing. Means what? We will keep only one coordinate is fixed and changes in other coordinate values, and that's why shearing is also termed as squeezing. Okay. So here is the shearing transformation. There are two types. First one is the x shear and y shear. The first is the x shear. X shear preserves the y coordinate and changes are made to x coordinate. So we only constant the y coordinate values and preserves the y coordinate values and changes are made to x coordinate. Means we will be changes are made in only the x coordinate. So here is our original object in xy plane. Here is our origin. Then second figure is object after x shearing. Means the changes is done in only the x axis, not the y axis. So here the y coordinates is fixed or does not change, only the change is done in x coordinate. Okay, which causes the vertical lines to tilt right or left as shown in below figure. So here is the object is slant by using the x shearing transformation. Okay, here is by using some factors, that is shearing factor is represented as SHX and SHY. So SHX is means shearing of x direction and SHY means shearing of y direction. Okay, so the transformation matrix for x shear can be represented as 1 SHX0, 010 and 001. So here is the matrix. There is a xy axis, only the x coordinate is changed or changes is done in x axis, not in y axis. Okay, so here we calculate the new coordinate in the other transformation there is same as we given the values of old coordinate and we calculate the new coordinate. Okay, so here is the same as in sharing transformation we calculate the new coordinate. Only we will given the old coordinate, and by using this old coordinate and the matrix we calculate the x coordinate. Okay, sorry, new coordinate. So the x dash and y dash, the equation of x dash and y dash is equal to x dash is equal to x plus shx into y and y dash is equal to y. So we will keep only the y coordinates is same as it is, that is y dash is equal to y means new coordinate is equal to the old coordinate, and we will only changes is in x coordinate, that is x dash is equal to x plus shx into y. Here is the we calculate the x dash and y dash coordinate, that is x dash y dash is equal to 1 shx 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 into xy. This equation is in matrix representation and we will get x and y dash, that is new coordinates. We will multiply this x y into this matrix, that is x plus y into shx and there is a x that is 0 and y is as it is, that is y coordinate is y dash is equal to 0 and 1 and x dash is equal to x plus shx into y. Okay, so by using this matrix we will get the new coordinate, that is x dash and y dash. So in this figure, this one is our original figure and this is our slanted figure, that is the object after the x sharing. So here is the y share. The y share means it is the exactly opposite of the x sharing. In the x sharing we constant the y values and changes is made in x coordinate. In y sharing there is a constant in x coordinate and only changes is done in y coordinate. Okay, the y share preserves the x coordinate, that is constant the x coordinate values and changes the y coordinates, which causes the horizontal lines to transform into lines which slope up and down as shown in the following figure. So here this one our original object and this one is our object after the y sharing. Means in x sharing there is a object is in right or left. Okay, so in y sharing their object is in ups and down. So the changes is done in only the y coordinate, not in the x coordinate. So y coordinates which causes the horizontal lines to transform into lines which slope up and down. This one is the constant and this object is slant by using the y sharing. Okay, so the y share can be represented in matrix, that is 1 0 0 shy 1 0 0 0 1. X dash is equal to x and y dash is equal to y plus shy into x. Means in the y sharing the x coordinate keep it as a old coordinate and the y coordinate, new y coordinate is changed, that is y plus shy into x. Okay, so this equation is represented in the matrix form, that is 1 0 0 shy 1 0 0 and 0 0 1 matrix is used here, that is we calculate the x dash and y dash values, that is x dash and y dash is equal to this matrix into our old coordinate, that is x and y coordinate. We multiply this coordinate into matrix and we get this x dash value and y dash value. Okay, this is our X sharing and Y sharing. Example of sharing transformation is given a triangle with point A, B and C, that is A coordinate is 1, 1, B is 0, 0 and C1 is the 1, 0. Apply shared parameter 2 on x-axis and 2 on y-axis and find out the new coordinate of the object. So the answer is, what is the given? There is a given is old corner coordinate of the triangle is A, B, C, means we will given only the coordinates, that is old coordinates A, B and C, and we given the sharing parameters towards the x direction is equal to 2 and the y direction is equal to 2. For coordinates A of 1, 1 in x sharing, the first coordinate is A of 1, 1, that the new coordinate is after sharing is x new and y new, that is x dash and y dash. So applying the sharing equation, x dash is equal to x old plus shx into y old is equal to 1 plus 2 into 1, that is x coordinate is 1, that is old coordinate is 1 plus shx, that is 2 is given into 1 y old coordinate, that is 1. So the answer is equal to 3. And the y new, that is y dash is equal to y old, that is y coordinate is 1 and new coordinate, that is x dash and y dash coordinate is 3 and 1. For coordinate B and C is same as, there is we calculate the x dash and y dash for using the B and C coordinates, the old coordinate. Okay, so the x new, in calculating the B coordinate, x new, that is x dash is equal to x old plus shx into y old, that is x dash is equal to x plus shx into y is equal to 0 plus 2 into 0, that is 0, and the y dash is equal to y old is equal to 0. Okay, so the new coordinate is 0 and 0. For the coordinate C, there is a, we get the answer is x new is equal to x dash is equal to x plus shx into y old, that is y is equal to 1 plus 2, that is our x old coordinate is 1 plus shx is 2 into y, that is 0, and answer is 1. Then the y coordinate is y new is equal to y old is equal to 0, and our new coordinate, that is x dash and y dash for C in x sharing is equal to 1 and 0. So sharing in y-axis, there only the formula is changed, that is the x is constant and the changes is done in y-axis. So the x formula of x new is equal to, that is x dash is equal to x old is equal to 1, and the y dash is equal to y old, that is y plus shy into x old, that is x is equal to 1 plus 2 into 1, and the answer is 3. Thus the new coordinate is, for the sharing in y-axis is equal to 1, 3. For coordinate B, that is 0, 0 is, we put in the formula, that is x new is equal to x old is equal to 0 and the y dash coordinate is equal to 0. Thus the new coordinate for sharing in y-axis in B is equal to 0. For coordinate C, that is the old coordinate is 1, 0, that the new coordinate is x dash and y dash. X dash is equal to x old is equal to 1 and the y dash is equal to y old plus shy into x old is equal to 0 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so our new coordinates of the triangle after sharing in y-axis is equal to A of 1, 3, B of 0, 0 and C of 1, 2. So here is the answerable figure is, this one is our original triangle in xy plane, and this one is the after sharing in x axis this, and after sharing in y axis this. So this is after sharing in x axis triangle. So here you see that the angle is slant in only in x axis. Okay, so the y remains is constant, and in y sharing the object is slant in y direction, that is only in y plane, and the x coordinate is constant. Okay, so thank you so much. If any doubt in this, please contact me. Thank you.